We're reviewing a 59-inch spin display stand for 22.5-inch spin displays. We're going to show you how easy it is to assemble step by step. We're given an instruction guide. Please go over all the parts and material before starting. Going over the parts list, we have the sidebars, 8 of them, 32 grub bolts that go in, with the right Allen key to be used. 6 angle brackets. 8 right angle brackets. 34 pieces of Ohan nuts. 28 pieces of 17 millimeter nuts. 1 55 millimeter nuts. And 3 small set bolts. We have additional bolts, acrylic brackets, and for the 22.5-inch spin displays, the hangers and right Allen keys. We have 2 300 millimeter arms and 3 300 millimeter arms with angle cuts. A 240 millimeter arm, a 310 millimeter arm with a circle hole cut out, a 296 millimeter arm, a 296 millimeter arm with 4 hole cutouts, a 296 millimeter arm with 2 hole cutouts, and a 296 millimeter arm with 6 hole cutouts, and a 296 millimeter arm with 2 hole cutouts. We're going to be working on the bottom arms first. With the locking mechanism, please make sure that the 2 ridges face up, the narrow end faces down, and place in all the grub bolts of the holes. Grab a tool, a grub bolt, and start to secure in. Do not over tighten past the hole. We're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. We're then going to take the bar, slide through, slide on, and secure it down. Hold tight and lock down. Repeat for the next one by sliding down and on and in. Rotate around and slide on all the bars now. Level out and lock down. We have one remaining bar to do, and that'd be number 9. Slide on and lock down into place. Secure all grub bolts down. We are building a frame that has the 2 45s, a right angle that's going to look like this, finished. We're going to need the 17 millimeter screws and the nuts that go in. And we're going to start our assembly. We have these pieces and those pieces, and we're going to take a bolt, slide on, and we have this nut, Ohan nut, wide angle to the top inward, like so. We're going to lock on, and then we have a bar that this simply slides on, like so, demonstrating, and locks into place. We have a right angle with doing the same thing. We'll put in the bolt, wide angle to the back of the angle bracket, wide angle, and then they slide on like so to the end. You're going to slide both pieces together till they lock in and lock down. And you're going to repeat this for all the bottom pieces. As we start to slide in the pieces and lock down with the right angle Allen key, with an angle, place on, start to lock down, and adjust. You're going to repeat for the opposite sides and the other two. You have a large bolt that goes in the hole that you secure down. We completed the 3-tier stand. You could put a single spin display 22.5 inch or 3 of them on. You could put smaller ones on or larger ones on. That is your choice. This is what the stand looks like, fully assembled, and I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you are looking for, easy to assemble with all the pieces and all. Thank you for your time and view.